Hi, welcome. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import your PDF file and make a presentation from it. So click on here to attach your file. And after you upload your file, you can use it as a source or you can redesign it. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use as a resource. And you can make your prompt as detailed as you want, or you can just say, make a presentation from this doc and click on here. Also, you can import your brand for this presentation, or you can create a style with AI. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can create style with AI. Now, Decktopus is building your blueprint, and AI has created the outline from my doc. And I click on generate presentation, but you can also make some edits if you want, and then click on generate presentation. And voila, Decktopus AI has created the presentation from my doc and it looks good. That's how you can create a presentation from your PDF import. Link in the caption. What are you waiting for?